today we're doing a makeup challenge where we're just gonna like do our makeup and it's all gonna be like super cool.
And it's gonna look amazing.
Savannah in the background.
Hey Savannah! So, we hope you like this video because it's gonna be awesome. So let's get started.
Okay, so first we're gonna get some eyeshadow.
Let's get some,
and I'm just gonna
that's like bronzer.
put it
Let's try
on
this.
my face.
Oh, my jacket is ruined.
Ah!
My jacket is, my face is ruined.
A tip for you guys, be sure to close your mouth so that you don't get it in your mouth.
Oh, look at it.
See, Rachel, I said your makeup. Oh, whoa, Sarah.
I'm obviously trying very hard. I'm just gonna I talk to myself a lot, so I'm just gonna say.
We want to try some foundation because that's good because it'll make my face look good.
Okay, just draw
Not
the
that.
brush.
Someone get the brush.
Where's the brush?
There you go.
Guys, you should do the
Here you go, grab
Okay, we're
it.
gonna do this.
I got it.
Oh god, it's spilling all over. That's nuts.
Your hand
Oh,
is your
thanks.
No, 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 and no. Okay.
Alright,
Oh my goodness.
oh my gosh.
Wait,
Ow.
that actually
Ow. Okay, here's some more. Oh, yep, grab it. Be very careful. This is my favorite makeup. Stop!
That's no makeup at all.
No, put it on.
Much
my
better.
face.
Yeah. Much better. Oh yeah.
So as you can see,
Slathering it all on there. I'm totally a
quiet.
professional. Just so you know, I'm a professional makeup artist. I went to
Oh my
school for
gosh.
8 years as a cosmetologist or whatever they're called.
I suggest putting it on your hair. I suggest putting it on your hair. It makes for a nice texture. And okay.
Yep, coughing, totally coughing.
And then, oh my gosh, I gotta think. An inch
my
behind my
goodness.
ear. Oh, gotta put my hair up.
Oh, right, the brush. It's in your hand.
And so like,
I mean, it's in my
we're
hand.
just rolling with this. My arms are perfect size for my body.
I found the brush after hours of looking.
Ow! Ow! I've totally done this before.
Anna's just kind of like there.
And they're just laughing just as a recording. You know how we just press a button and people laugh.
This is our sister Anna. If you didn't know, she's just kind of like standing there.
Yeah, what's up, Anna? How do you like my makeup so far?
Now we're gonna do some eyeshadow because I
Oh
totally
my
need that
gosh.
purple.
We have to do.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're using our fingers now.
Yeah. That's
Okay, we're not gonna do that anymore.
Oh yeah. Oh, I can't even see my face anymore.
Oh yeah, smooth it and rough.
Oh, that eyeshadow palette is.
All right, so now we're gonna do
Covering
some
my
mascara.
face? Oh my gosh.
Actually, I don't want to do mascara, so we're gonna put that away. Nope, we're not gonna put
Got
that
some
away.
bronzer. We got some. Oh, this is.
Oh, I actually got my
random
eye.
powder I
Not
found.
eyes at all.
Just throwing it all on there, man.
Okay, I suggest putting it on your eyebrow. It gives for nice and your cheek. You can do designs. You know, you do you, YOLO. So like,
Okay, now she's gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start talking because she's really annoying. Yeah, that's not how you open mascara, dummy. Me, dumb me. Oh god. Oh yeah, that just slathered all on there, man. Oh yeah, that's my nose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ow!
Oh, that's my hair. Oh, I was gonna take shower anyway. Totally. Yep. Plan to take shower.
All right.
Oh, that's my eyebrows. Yeah, just.
Okay.
I need
big
some black eyebrows.
Just so you know, guys, this tastes really good.
I really love the color
suggest
black.
putting it in another big mouthful of that. Tastes amazing.
Oh yeah, my nose just.
So I want you guys. Oh, okay. Ow! Ow!
Yeah, I'm just gonna put a fake mustache on because I want to be like that guy in the football team.
Minshew.
Yeah, Minshew.
Okay, we're just.
Calm down, me.
We're just going with
I'm
the
so
flow
overreactive
here.
sometimes.
Don't ask what I'm doing. It's a very hard technique.
Sorry.
We're gonna get a close up.
I'm just gonna
Oh my
spread that
gosh,
all
look at
around.
that. It's gorgeous.
It looks so good.
Oh, you guys are messing up.
We're just gonna shut that now.
Okay, we have like a bunch of
We need
makeup.
eyeliner.
We're just putting it on our face.
Oh darn! Here.
It works.
So eyeliner is by far my favorite makeup product.
So
I don't always use it for aligning my eyes. Sometimes I like to do some goth look like underneath my eyes.
Who cares? Where did you come from?
To look like I haven't had sleep for like 48 hours.
Okay, so we got into the point in our
accentuating
makeup.
my Minshew mustache. Go Jags. Yep.
We've gotten to the point in our makeup video where we're just like not caring anymore.
Amazing. No, like
We're using.
you know what?
our hands.
I think I'd rather put it on my eyes. Oh no, that might hurt. Never mind. I'm not gonna do that.
By using your hands, you're adding a texture.
Oh my god! I think I just created like a new trend.
Ready? We're gonna do a fashion show after this to display your.
Oh my goodness! So we're actually getting ready for like a gala, and it's gonna be so epic. We're meeting like all these famous Hollywood movie stars.
All the boys gonna be chasing after.
I know, right? Don't the boys just love
Okay,
this?
we're gonna put this down so everyone can see my makeup. Oh my god. Oh, what are you?
I'm just practicing my poses
my
for my new
gosh.
photo shoot.
I totally don't look like a cat. Mwah, kisses. Oh, peace. Yeah. Ow!
Kisses.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ow!
Okay, all right. So, thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you. We love y'all. You're
Yes.
just like such
if you haven't
great
subscribed already,
supporters.
please subscribe to this is episode 4 of the Switcharoozki Show, which we hope you like.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Like this video, smash that like button, and
we'll see you all next time.
Goodbye.